Alrighty, Land Cruiser heading up Big Red.
Roger that. Where you go?
I'll be got an nervous speed. Actual Big Red wasn't even that big.
Where is it way down?
No, it wasn't huge. After a little bit of like driving on Fraser and a couple of the beach cuttings we've got, I was actually expecting it to be a lot harder than that, but just kind of cruise up the outside really. Yeah, this side probably seems steeper than the other side, I reckon.
I think it's the one that talked about.
Yeah, rightio. Well, when we head back across this way, we'll hop on over this one as well.
Conquer another one.
Yeah, it's a little bit steeper now when you turn back around and have a look at it.
I reckon we get going today and then we'll come back, fucking get that on camera as well.
10 days later.
Yeah, no worries, and my mud flaps stop making noise now they're gone.
What are we doing first?
Driving.
QA line, and then on the Frenchline, Popple's Corner, maybe camp there, and then see how we go. So about 150 clicks to the Popple's Corner.
I'm pretty sure it's 150 to the end of the QA and then a little bit more to Popple.
Rightio, see if we can get there by nightfall. What's that? 3 dunes down, 1,196 to go.
That's 4 dunes down now.
Oh, we are cruising through it.
Yeah, I'm giving a tally on a bit of paper here, see how many dunes we go over.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, we've done 4.
Make sure Heater Maps has got it right, you reckon?
Yeah, well, they said approximately 1,100, so I'm going to email them if they're wrong.
It says approximately. Like, do you count this little one going over now as a sand dune though? Like, it's just a little mound, I guess, not even a sand dune.
Never been turned around so much in a car before.
Cruise has got power for days, and I think we just probably broke all our eggs.
Yeah. We made it. First go, I might add.
No, I thought if I come back to the hardest one, I might get some answer from them, and I was like, fucking good.
Sand dune number 2. Tick!
Too much weight there. I'm back to the old girl to get momentum on the hill.
Yeah, that's, yep, right.
Was that on the first or fourth attempt?
Hopefully we don't have to do scrambled eggs for lunch, because I heard a few things like sounded like tinnies going bouncing around in the back. We might have to start taping the tinnies too.
Yeah.
That could be a problem.
You might have left that a bit late.
Whoops. What's going over here, ladies? So on the track, don't be misled, there are corrugations. So we are just corrugating, proofing our beers.
Nice. What about the eggs?
The eggs are also corrugation proof now.
via the assistance of toilet roll.
Perfect, we only lost a couple.
Only 2.
Oh, it's not a but.
No more.
No more, that's it. Alec promised. Lunchtime on the simmo.
Righty, so we've come a fair way across the QAA line. Pretty stopped out overall, but we've crossed about 100 or so dunes. I think we're up to about 110. Prime weather conditions, clear skies ahead.
Beautiful sky ahead.
Excellent day. Quite surprised to see a fair bit of vegetation out still. Thought it'd be a bit more clearer, but it's a pleasant sight, bit of shade somewhere.
There's actually more out here than like some of the other outback tracks I've been on, but you know, between both Junda and Burnsville, there's bloody nothing compared to what's around here. But I think the plan from the QAA is to turn left, head down to Popper's Corner and jump onto the Frenchline and see what it's like.
Yeah,
pretty loving it.
Sounds like a good plan. We'll check back in later.
Is it just me?
You smell that too, can you? It smells worse than that. Not good.
It smells like Great Northern, isn't it?
It is.
Damn it. It's raining. That is orange in there. Man. That nice one down there, Alex. Quick recap on the count.
What is it, 7 or 8?
From this incident.
Yeah. Just from this one alone.
Oh god. Maybe Curtis needs one of those Turtle Great Northern stickers now.
Someone needs to invent an app so that when a beer breaks, it's like, oh, alert, alert.
Well, I've got my shitty stuff in here, isn't it?
Beer broken, pull over.
Oh, that's sorry?
So have you checked your own drawers yet?
No, not yet. They could all be done. Curtis has put it out there. He reckons I should check my own drawers before I start throwing shade out. Oh.
Hey! Not beer, but
So I'm not worried about the coffee cup.
still not a good sign.
Oh, there for Alec later on. Let's have a look. Jeez, apart from the half a carton we took out and put in the fridge, the rest of these are absolutely textbook beautiful. This looks like it's been packed by an Isuzu driver. That's what it looks like. Awesome first day on the tracks. QAA a bit bumpy, and we've lost a few soldiers to the good old bumps in the back of the cruiser. But nothing, you know, we can wipe the tears away and we can fix that. We're going to set up here for the night and enjoy the serenity. Kick back, eh? After pulling up at camp, Curtis gave us a bit of a lesson on how not to kill ourselves with a whip. A few beverages were enjoyed, and the sunset provided the perfect backdrop after a great day on the tracks. We hit the swags at a reasonable hour, ready for a full day of the Frenchline in the morning.